Yes, so I mentioned to you guys before that I recently locked my hair. So pretty much on a journey, trying to figure out what I need to do and stuff like that to my hair. This has been my third lock. So I'm still trying to figure out, well, I'm actually enjoying the process at the moment. It has been something that I always wanted to do, and finally I did it. And yeah, I love the process so far, and I'm just gonna keep you guys updated as I go along with it. You guys can comment down below and let me know what I should use in my hair. I only use water pretty much and oil, as I heard most brushes saying that to use just oil in your hair and water. So yeah, I'll definitely keeping you guys posted as I start this new journey. So I actually just finished styling my hair, and these are one of the styles that I actually started doing. It's pretty easy. All I did is just put the headband on and I'm good to go. But I want to try a lot more different styles once my hair, grow a little bit longer. If you lock your hair, you can let me know the type of styles that you use, or you can recommend me just to other styles that I can use in my hair. So you can comment down below if you have if you're locking your hair as well. And yeah, so this is just one of the pretty to-go styles, pretty easy to-go styles that I just do in my hair. Just put my headband on and fix the edges and stuff. I need to fix the edges properly, and then I'm good to go. So yeah. So I just got back home, and this will be the end of the video. However, I know this video is very short, but this is just an update to let you guys know I'll be taking you guys on a journey of my hair locking journey. And yeah, so if you guys want to see that, please make sure you stick around, you subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a video. And you guys can also comment down below if you lock your hair or you are a loctician. You can also comment down below and let me know some styles I can do in my hair. Alright, so until then, I'll see you guys soon.
Close that on that beat. Go.